चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में आप किस टीम को फेवरेट समझते हैं?
इंडिया भाई, इंडिया।
क्यों, व्हाई?
वाइट बॉल क्रिकेट में हमारा मुकाबला नहीं है। देखो, जीत या हार तो खेल में होगा ही, पर इंडियन टीम वनडे क्रिकेट, वाइट बॉल क्रिकेट, 2020 फैंटास्टिक। ऑफ लेट वी आर I'll say struggling a little bit in red ball cricket, but not so in white ball.
Are you happy with the composition of the team?
Yeah, more or less. You listen. Everybody has an opinion. There are 5 selectors who are following cricket day in and day out, and they are really eminently qualified to select a team. So when they select a team, they've obviously given it a lot of thought. One or two players may not agree with your thing, but you're not as qualified as them to select a team.
Do you think that this is going to be the last ICC tournament for Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma?
Listen, these two players, nobody can comment. I made a mistake of commenting earlier about champions, great champions, yeah. So it doesn't work like that. उनकी कब भूख जाग जाए फिर से, और कब उनका फॉर्म एक बार आ जाए, तो फिर वो तो है ही, उनके बारे में बात ही करना मुश्किल है।
What do you think of Mohammad Shami getting a chance in the Champions Trophy?
Yeah, Mohammad Shami is still a very skillful bowler. Yes, he is in the twilight of his career, but he is a hard trier. He's coming back from injury. He's working very hard. His desire to play for the country is fantastic.
What's your reaction about yesterday's match?
Sorry?
What's your reaction about yesterday's match?
Oh, I think we just swatted them away. There was no competition yesterday.
Lalji, the decision by BCCI to make the senior players, the star players play in the Ranji Trophy today, Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Yashasvi Jaiswal, everyone was seen in action in the Ranji Trophy, though Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill, Yashasvi Jaiswal all departed for low score, but the decision to make the senior players, the star players, play the Ranji Trophy matches, which is the prime tournament, domestic tournament. What do you make out of this move by BCCI?
I think it's a really welcome move, albeit about 15 years too late. They should have been playing Ranji Trophy. It's not only them playing Ranji Trophy. I think the status of Ranji Trophy has to be improved in the minds of everybody. It's a really valuable property of the country. It's the grooming ground of cricket in the country. When a young boy comes, he aspires to play for his state. And that has, to my mind, been ignored slightly. And the Ranji Trophy should be at par with the IPL. You should make it huge prize money. Let there be some buying and selling of cricketers in Ranji Trophy as well. Let there be an auction there as well, with all kinds of rules, but make sure that the Ranji Trophy is what is occupying mind space in the country. Not only the press, but the people. They should love watching it. They should love playing it. And really, red ball is the true test of cricket.
Are you a bit concerned with the form of Rohit Sharma, his constant failure in Australia, and now in today's match against Jammu and Kashmir in the Ranji Trophy that is played in MCA in Mumbai? It's another failure for him. So are you a bit concerned with his red ball cricket career?
Certainly, of course. Every Indian is. Every Indian wishes Rohit Sharma well. Because when he plays, there is nobody who can rival him. I love watching him in full flow. There's no better player than him. So when he doesn't get runs, I'm disappointed for my country, for him, for myself, and the game. He's added so much of value to the game. It's not funny. So we really value and cherish him as a hero of our country, and I'm sure that he'll come good.
Virat is also due to play in the Ranji Trophy match that is going to be played from the 30th. So he has also been not played Ranji Trophy for almost a decade now. So he's
not almost a decade, more than 12 years.
More than 12 years, yeah. So what's your take on Virat? Also, he has also, apart from that century in Perth, he has also looked totally out of sorts, and the manner in which he got out the dismissals in Australia. So what's your take on Virat?
Listen, out is out. I'd be stupid to comment on a player like Virat Kohli. He's the best the game has seen. He's the best white ball player ever. So Virat Kohli is his own champion, and I'm waiting with bated breath to see him, score runs, because when he's at the crease, he's so dominant.
What would be the ideal pair as openers for India?
Yeah, and you're talking about red ball or white ball or
50 overs match.
50 overs? Yeah, I think Rohit is brilliant. All of them. I mean, there's so many options you have at the moment. Look, you have a separate 2020 team, and you know a 2020 player can certainly play one-day cricket. It's not too much different. It's white ball, and the essence is the same. So at the moment in white ball cricket, India is unrivaled. We can make 2, 3 teams. So options are open.
Lalji, which team can be the competitors of Team India in Champions Trophy?
Listen, winning is beyond everything else. You might play the best cricket in the championship and yet not win, like we've been doing in the last 10 years. हम खेलते हैं, पहुंच जाते हैं फाइनल तक और फिर हार जाते हैं वहाँ पे. So, with a little bit of luck, you see, white ball cricket is such that you may be playing your best cricket, but on that day, 4-5 overs decides the fate. You know, there's not too much difference between teams.
And people are questioning making Shubman Gill as vice captain. What is your take on that?
I'm not questioning the selectors. I've stopped questioning them long ago. They're more qualified than me. They watched more. I haven't. I don't know the rest of the scenario as well as they do. And there are 5 of them.
What about Bumrah? How do you see
Awesome.
Bumrah as a fast bowler?
Awesome, yaar. Awesome. He makes the ball talk. उसका तो जवाब नहीं है. वो जैसे पामोलिव का था ना, कपिल देव के पास अब बुमराह का जवाब नहीं है.
Bumrah is now the world's best.
Oh, undoubtedly. Because yaar, he can get pace, he can bowl a yorker, and he's fearless. You know, in red ball cricket, to try and bowl a yorker, 9 out of 10 times he will go for a boundary. Yeah, but he's different class. The control he has is unbelievable. More than the control, it's his confidence, his self-belief.
And comparison is being made between Babar Azam and Virat Kohli.
I don't compare, yaar. I don't compare. विराट कोहली का जवाब नहीं है अभी.
And Babar.
मत करो कंपेयर. देखो, खिलाड़ी तो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. किसी दिन कोई परफॉर्मेंस ऐसी स्टैंड आउट करती है दैट यू थिंक यार मज़ा आ गया देख के. बट विराट कोहली जो इंडिया के लिए किया है, आसपास नहीं है कोई. 80-100 है उसके. 80-100 तो कंपेयर क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
বিরাট কোহলি, রোহিত শর্মার ফর্ম নিয়ে এই মুহূর্তে একটা চর্চা চলছে, কে কবে রিটায়ার করবে. দেয়ার ইজ লট অফ ডিবেট.
Then that's bound to be. There are youngsters who are knocking on the door. Senior players, with due respect to all heroes, have to be performing better than the juniors. है ना? Otherwise you're holding things up. खेल तो आगे बढ़ेगा, अगली पीढ़ी आएगी. अगर उसको रोकना है तो तुमको भैया 10 रीज़न देने हैं उनको रोकने के लिए. तो आशा करता हूँ वो करेंगे.
So you have to perform or perish.
You have to give 10 reasons, not only performance, everything. Inspiration, leadership, desire, example, confidence, experience, value, performance. The responsibility on players like Virat and Rohit are enormous.
So they have to take responsibility now.
Of course.
It's high time.
It's not high time. They always have, and if they are there, I'm sure they will. They should go out on their own terms. देखो जाना तो सबको ही है. That's the reality. It's no offense to anybody, but we want to wish them well because they're such huge, colossal figures for Indian, next generation. They should go out on their own terms. 100 करके जा, मजा आ जाए यार.
And one more thing, Gautam Gambhir.
Yeah.
What do you feel about him?
Yeah, I don't know.
Start.
Yeah, rocky, very rocky start. Yeah. You're losing series in India, whitewashed in India.
Lowest point.
I think we made errors in strategy. I certainly think so. We were the better side. Why do you need to make turning tracks? This desperation to get points for, ICC, वहाँ पहुँचना है तो ये जीतना है. भैया मैच टू मैच खेलो और अपने दम पे खेलो. मेरा दम है, 5 दिन खेलूंगा तो मुझे मालूम है मैं जीतूंगा. तो मैं 3 दिन में जीतना क्यों चाह रहा हूँ? हमने गलतियाँ की, पर गलतियाँ से ही सीखता है इंसान. तो he is also a great performer for India. I am very hopeful, and his desire to do well, you see, is as good as a Virat Kohli's.
Arunda, after a long time, you are in whites and blazers. How do you feel?
Oh, I'm proud to be wearing this CAB blazer because that's been my life. Bengal has given me everything. I love Bengal, I love Calcutta, and I got this opportunity. Dr. West Pays is a hero of mine.
I love him.
He's a real hero of mine. Yeah. And this club. And this club, by the way, everybody says is the second oldest club in the world. I think it's probably the oldest club.
oldest club.
Older than Lord's.
1792.
1792 पे तो एक मैच की खबर आई थी अखबार में, तो ऐसा तो नहीं उसी दिन जन्मा था ये क्लब,
उससे पहले ही हुआ।
बहुत पहले, हाँ, बहुत पहले। तो यहाँ की परंपरा ऐसी है कि डॉक्टर वेस्ट पेज इज द हीरो ऑफ इंडिया। And I remember when I first came to Calcutta, I moved into a flat. I couldn't afford anything. So he sent me a fridge, he sent me a fan, he sent me a music system to start me off in my flat. But then, yeah, and I was a young boy who's just come to Calcutta. So Dr. Pace के लिए तो हम जब बोलोगे हम हाजिर हो जाएंगे।
And this club started the rugby also.
Yeah, and they started the rugby, 140 years of rugby. Yeah, so the
Started
CC
here in India.
Calcutta Cricket and Football Club is not only, it's not football, it's rugby.
Rugby.
Yeah,
Rugby
yeah.
started here.
हाँ,
in India.
140 साल पुराना खेल है और किसी ने इसको तवज्जो ही नहीं दिया।
Okay.